Hello guys, how are you all? So our first question is middle of the linked list, in which we will be given the head of the singly linked list. We will have to return the middle node of the linked list. Okay. So here's the example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in which the 3 is the middle. And in case of the even number of linked list, even nodes of the linked list, the middle is the n by 2, and after that जो head आएगा that is the middle of the linkage. Okay, so what we will do is we will firstly check that if the head is null or not, and head dot the next node of the head is null or not. In that case, if any of the case is true, then we will return simply the head. So first is if head equals to null, or head dot next is equals to null. In that case, return head. Here it comes single or double equals. So it will do our first question, the first check. So our next check is um, we will make two pointers. The first will be slow and the second will be fast. So the first will be is list node slow equals to new list node. Okay, and the second one is will be why not we will define it to the head. Okay, so head and list node fast will be also equals to head. So both of the time will be starting from the head, and then while the list will slow will come one step forward, the fast will come two step forward. The slow will come one step forward, then the fast will come two step forward, and hence when the fast dot next is equals to null or fast is equal to null, we will return slow as the answer. So while fast is not equals to null and fast dot next is not equals to null, in that case slow equals to slow dot next, and fast will be fast equals to fast dot next dot next. After that, when the condition is fulfilled, it when the this thing will become false, then the loop will break and we have to return slow. All right, and here we check it. So it is accepting the answer, and we have done it. We have beat 100% of the. So wow, that's great.